As a common scenario, we can find everywhere that men and women are not paid equally, though they do the same kind of work. How an employed woman should deal with such a situation? What is the stand of law with regard to such an unfair and unequal payment of wages? Let us try to learn in the next few minutes. In order to prevent discrimination on the basis of sex, especially against women in the matters of employment, the Parliament has enacted Equal Remuneration Act. Any employed woman should be aware of this act. It is because Equal Remuneration Act provides for the payment of equal remuneration to both female and male workers in the matters of employment. So, what is the salient feature of this act? This act imposes a duty on every employer to pay equal wages both to men and women workers for the same work or work of similar nature. So, we have to understand what is same work or works of similar nature. Same work or similar work means any work in respect of which the skill, the effort, and the responsibility required from the man and woman are of same nature. In other words, if a work demands the same set of skills, efforts, and responsibilities both from a man and a woman, then the work can be concluded as a same work or similar work in nature. And also please do remember that if in any work there exist differences in the skill, effort, and responsibilities that is required of a man and woman, and if such differences are not really of any practical importance, then we can also place such kind of work under the definition of same work or work of similar nature. Therefore, in any kind of work which falls under such a definition, the employer has a duty to pay equal salary to both the male and female employees. He should not make any sort of discrimination between the male and female employees. Another salient feature of this act is, if any work falls under the definition of same work or work of similar nature, then the employer should not make any discrimination even while recruiting male or female worker. Therefore, this act doesn't allow any kind of discrimination even while recruiting. Not following this act, if any employer makes any payment of remuneration at unequal rates to men and women workers, then he shall be punished with fine or imprisonment which may extend to 3 months or both. So, any woman who is unfairly and unequally paid with regard to her employment, then she should have the boldness to use the provisions of this act. Thanks a lot. We'll meet you again.